Hello, in today's video, I will teach you how to reduce the size of the taskbar in Windows. Right-click on an empty space on the taskbar. A context menu will appear. Ensure that Lock the taskbar option is unchecked. If it's checked, click on it and uncheck it. Hover your mouse cursor over the top edge of the taskbar until it turns into a double-headed arrow. Click and hold the left mouse button and then drag the taskbar upward to decrease its height. Release the mouse button when you are satisfied with the new size of the taskbar. Finally, right-click on the taskbar again, and this time select Lock the taskbar to prevent accidentally resizing. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce the size of the taskbar on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching.